take a look at this 1986 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS. Nice looking two-door coupe. This particular vehicle, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. A little over 94,000 miles on it. Condition of the paint and the interior, considering miles, this really shows well. Underneath the hood, the L69 high output 305 V8 that the SS would have come with. That is paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive, power steering, power brakes, AC. By the way, the AC, everything's there and intact, but I did not get the compressor to kick on, so it may need to be charged. Taking a look at, just FYI, consignor has chosen to sell it the way it is. And as you can see, taking a look at the front fascia there, shows well, not full of nicks, dings, rock chips. Now, there is some touch-ups and some imperfections on it. I mean, let's be realistic. The car has 94,000 miles on it, and it is black. But overall, I want to kind of get into the classic car hobby with an 80s classic without breaking the bank. Good car for that. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the stock SS wheels, BF Goodrich radials. And as you can see, you have the orange-red Monte SS logo, graphics, the maple or burgundy maroon colored interior, cloth buckets, center console shifter. Of course, nicely equipped also. We'll get around to the driver's side. Start it up, let's check out the engine bay, which is also very clean. And we'll check out that interior and options a little closer too. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, dual exhaust coming out of that 305 V8. Over 100 pictures of this car online. You'll be able to check out the trunk. Again, the undersides, interior. This would be an original black car, of course, 19U for paint code. There you can see the nice reflection and shine on that car. Take a look all the way to the front door there. All right, interior, let's take a peek at this. So we have power windows, power locks. Take a look at the seat. One little spot where the piping's coming out a tad right there, as you can see, but overall, again, not cracked down here, which you see quite often. Cloth in nice shape. The other thing I wanted to point out, kind of common for the headliners on these to come down. Headliner, good shape on this. As far as the top of the dash, free of cracks, much wear. It seems like this car was definitely stored indoors. Tilt and cruise column.
I'd like you to visit.
As you can see, the radio is working, AM, FM cassette. I'm going to click that down a second. Blower fan works and heat and everything, of course, but like I said, the compressor did not kick on and off for me. Let's take a look at the rest of the dash quick. That indicator light right there is for seat belts, so no sort of engine warning, anything like that. There's your exact miles, 94,531. Here's all the gauges are working, as well as the tachometer. Of course, shifter on the floor, and there is a CD changer that's in the trunk, and you can check that out. Still pictures. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Sounds like you'd figure a stock 86 Monte to sound. No crazy exhaust, anything over the top, no Dolby cam in the engine. Just a nice little slight throaty growl. Sounds good. All right, I'm going to pause this 1 second. Let's pop the hood. Let's check out that engine, man. I want to show you how clean that.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, hood popped. And again, you see the AC compressor and all the components seem to be there. Just like I said, may need to be charged, but look at how clean this is. Well, this thing was well taken care of, no doubt about that. Runs smooth, sounds good. Has been converted from the original R12 that it had. Tell by the fittings. Yeah, it really surprised me to open the hood of this car and see how nice and tight it was underneath there. Actually, some just shiny components yet. Considering age and miles, quite nice. 1986 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, clean Carfax, actual miles, no accidents indicated. We do consider trades. Financing is available. This vehicle may qualify for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.